moment of inertia of a moment of inertia of a circular disc. Let capital M be the mass of a circular disc and capital R be the radius of the circular disc. Radius of a circular disc. Let us consider a circular disc. Its radius is, this is the center, and its radius is capital R. And let us consider a small element of a circular disc. Having a width dx, this is the width of the element, this is the width of the element, width of the element is dx, and its radius from the center is x. It is its radius. Now, area of this small element, area of this element is equal to circumference into its width. What is the circumference? Circumference is nothing but, circumference of a circle is nothing but 2 pi r. But this is the area of a element. So area of the circumference into width of the area of the circumference of the element and width of the element. What is the circumference of the element? 2 pi x, because its radius is x. What is its width? It is dx. Therefore, area is equal to 2 pi x dx. This is the area of the element. Now, mass of the element. Mass of the element, that is capital M, is equal to mass per unit area, mass per unit area of circular disc, mass per unit area of a circular disc into area of element, into area of the element. Okay. See here, mass of the element, that is capital M, is equal to mass per unit area of a circular disc into area of the element. Here we know the area of the element, that is 2 pi x dx. Okay, this is 2 pi x dx. What is mass per unit area of a circular disc? Okay, mass per unit area of circular disc is equal to mass per unit area. Its area is pi r square. R is the radius of a circular disc M is the mass of the circular disc. Okay, this is the mass per unit area of a circular disc. So this is capital M divided by pi r square. Pi get cancelled. This is equal to 2m divided by r square x into dx. Now, moment of inertia of a element is equal to, what is the general formula? That is m r square. Okay, see here we are finding the moment of inertia of an element. What is its mass? Its mass is 2m divided by r square x into dx. R square, but here radius is x. For element, radius is x. Okay, you are finding the moment of inertia of an element. That's why you have to put radius of the element, that is x square. This is equal to 2m divided by r square x cube into dx. This is the moment of inertia of an element. Now, moment of inertia of a whole circular disc is equal to 2m divided by r square is the constant term. Okay, what is the variable here? X is the variable. See here, 2 is constant, mass of a circular disc is constant, radius of a circular disc is constant, but here the variable is x, because x can vary from 0 to capital R. X can vary from this 0 to capital R. Therefore, moment of inertia of a whole circular disc is equal to 2m divided by r square is a constant. I am integrating x from 0 to capital R, x cube into dx. This is equal to 2m divided by r square. What is the integration of x cube? X raised to 4 divided by 4 from 0 to capital R. Okay, this is equal to 2m divided by r square, r raised to 4 divided by 4. R get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2 are. 2 2s are. This is equal to 1 divided by 2 m r square. This is the moment of inertia of a circular disc. Thank you.